Hi, this is the ALCATEL 1B 2022 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So we should first open the Play Store application. Don't forget to sign in into your Google account. I'll enter the password out of screen. So after that, just in the search pool, open the search pool, tap on it, and here enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap the open button to open the app, click to OK to close. I agree. And now we could see here information about our battery temperature, and in my case that's 27 and 8 degrees. So also we got here more information like the battery capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.